If you're getting a network error has occurred message on Google Sheets, here's a quick and easy guide to fix it on your iPhone. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off. After that, force close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom, then close the Google Sheets and reopen it again. After that, clear cache. Since there's no direct option to clear cache on iPhone, delete the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. This refreshes the app's data and often fixes hidden issues. Then, open the App Store and search for Google Sheets. After that, tap on Update if a new version is available. And if the error still shows up, try logging in with a different Google account or open the same file from another device or browser like Safari or Chrome. And that's all. Your Google Sheets should be working again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.